Recording in progress. Let's go.
Great. So, Nancy, nice to meet you. Welcome to our firm today. How is your day and how was your journey to our firm?
It's okay. It's cold this time of year, and
Yeah.
so
Yes, quite cool. Yeah, I know. So, before we start, can I get some basic information from you? Because we are a law firm and we are subject to certain regulations and we are required to collect this information from our client. I hope you can understand. So, Nancy, can you confirm can you confirm to me your full name, please?
yes, it is Nazir Singh.
Okay. And you address,
I'm sorry.
your address, your direction, address.
Yes. I come again.
C- can you confirm, can you tell me your address, please?
Oh, it is 8 Kelwood Road, Nottingham,
Nottingham,
NG7 8EQ.
NG7, what?
NG7 8EQ.
8EQ, okay, great.
Correct.
And your occupation and your age, please.
My age is 42.
42 years old, okay.
Yes.
And
Well,
your occupation.
I own a flower shop called I&S.
Owns a flower shop. Called what?
I&S.
I&S.
Yes.
How do you spell S?
Just the letters I&S.
Oh, okay, I&S. Okay, great.
Yes.
So, my partner just told me that you are refused by a company to honor a contract. So before we can give you any advice, I would like to collect some basic information of the background.
Right, right.
So can I confirm whether it is whether this is a flower shop or partnership or a company or something otherwise?
I do have a silent partner who has an equity stake in this. He is Mr. Iskander, but I am the proprietor. I am I run all the business day to day.
Oh,
I control the staff. I take the orders. Mr. Iskander is not involved. That's the I and S. Yeah, I'm Nazir Singh.
okay. So this partner only contributes money to your business, but he's not basically involved in any management of your business, right?
Correct. He did at the beginning, but he yeah, he is older now, and he does not need to be involved in the business. He helped set it up, but yeah, but so he did not take any orders. He knows nothing about this case at all as of right now. So
Okay, so do you have any written agreement or partnership agreement?
yes, we do have a partnership agreement that is written, but
Okay. Sorry, I forgot something. I still need a passport and a
uh,
bill from you for our money laundering regulations. Can I
yes,
from
I'll
you?
provide those. I bought them. Your secretary told me to bring them. I can hand them over to you.
Okay, we will give it back to you when we after we finish our talk. Okay, thank you. Okay, so you have a partnership agreement written. Can you provide me with a copy of this agreement?
Yes, I can. Yeah.
Okay, great. So I will have a exhaustive look of your agreement after our talk. So do you think is there any peculiar thing do you think there's included in your partnership agreement? Do you think is there something you don't understand or something like this, or you think maybe oh maybe maybe harmful to you, something like this?
No, there's
Okay,
nothing that I know of.
so you understand the partnership agreement well, right?
Perfectly. Yep.
Okay, perfectly understanding. Great. So so let's get back to the background of your case. So basically, my partner told me this another company refused to honor a contract with you. So can you develop a little bit this background information?
Right. So I have a great number of account customers. One of them is this tax accountants firm, IIS Tax Accountants. And I have for many years, it's a tradition of this company. They go and buy flowers for the staff before the start of the tax year, and we deliver them. And I got a call this year from Anthony Jones.
How do you spell this name?
Anthony, yes, Anthony, ANTHONY
ANTHONY Jones.
Jones, JONES.
Okay.
He is the personal assistant for the managing partner. He called me and placed this order on April 6th.
Okay. Order on April 6th this
Mhm.
year.
Correct. And we delivered the flowers that day. The value of the order was for 1,500 pounds.
Okay, 1,500
Mhm.
1,500 pounds.
Yes, 1500.
Okay, okay. So the flower was successfully delivered, right?
Yes,
And do you have any evidence of this, of the successful delivery?
they accepted receipt and signed for it.
Okay.
And our invoice is supposed to be due in 14 days.
In 14 days. So can you confirm who signed the receipt?
I don't know who signed it.
Okay.
But they
but-
were received. There's no, I don't, yeah, we delivered them.
Okay, so
They're just refusing to pay
okay,
because of something else entirely.
okay, I know this. So you don't know. I will come to this back later. So you don't know who signed this, but can you confirm this is someone from this IS tax company?
Well, yes, and they placed the order.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
great.
Anthony Jones placed this order.
Anthony Jones placed the order, but but he may not be the person who signed this. So
Yeah, I don't know who signed it.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, we will look into this later. So can you tell me why they refuse to pay you?
Well, 2 days later, I got a call from the managing partner, Andrew. Andrew, what is his name? Andrew Steele.
Yeah,
He's the
okay.
managing partner. And he said on 2 days after delivery and order of this, he called me and said that he had fired Anthony and that he was that he because he was at a conference overseas and he did not give Anthony instructions to do anything and that he'd fired Anthony and that Anthony couldn't even use the bathroom without his permission and that he was just they were refusing to pay because Andrew was not supposed to do any flower ordering
Mhm.
and Anthony was not supposed to have done any flower ordering and they're just not going to pay for it.
So Andrew told you he felt Anthony when he was on an overseas conference, which means he was not physically in England.
Mhm.
So did he give you any evidence or did he give you any information regarding Anthony's ability or Anthony's authority to which extent Anthony could represent? Oh, you told me Anthony is a manager, a personal assistant.
He's the
of-
personal assistant to Mr. Steele. Yes.
So did Andrew tell you anything regarding what a personal assistant, what kind of authority of a personal assistant may have in his company?
Well, no, and Andrew did. Andrew did when I called to identify me, and we have an existing relationship with with this tax accountants firm because they do this every year. Now, normally Andrew does make these arrangements, not Anthony. The managing partner does not usually call me up. It's Andrew. Andrew has called these orders in before.
So it's a normal business practice, right? I
It's
understand.
yeah, it's an every year. It's just
Okay.
a repeat. It's a repeat of the last year's event. Yeah.
Okay, so did Anthony do something before this unhonored order in previous years? Something similar before?
What, refused to pay? He never
No,
refused to
I
pay.
mean, did Anthony tell you make telephone call to you to place this order without Andrew being involved? And you but the flower was delivered and you got paid. Did this happen?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So the amount of money that the company refused to pay is 1,500 15 pounds, right?
Yes. 1,500 pounds.
Oh, 1,500 pounds. Okay. Okay. So, do you have this company's articles of association?
No, I just take orders from them, deliver flowers, and usually get paid.
Okay. So Anthony is not taking any charge of or any position of the company as a something like director or anything like this, no?
No, he's just the personal assistant
Okay.
to Andrew Steele.
Okay.
And Andrew Steele is the managing director of this accounting firm. But
Okay.
I usually, but in previous years, Andrew has placed the order for these flowers and they just do it every year, the same
Mhm.
time of year. There had never been a problem with Andrew making these orders before, and us paying them. So, but apparently after this, because that Mr. Steele was overseas, when he
Mhm.
came back, he fired Andrew and refused to pay on the order.
I just want to confirm, did Anthony in previous years place any order in name of Andrew to you? You told me Andrew in previous years, Andrew usually was the person who places the order.
No, no, no.
But
Anthony places the orders usually for
usually,
Andrew. Yeah.
oh, okay, good.
Yeah, he's the personal assistant. That's what Anthony is. He does that for Andrew. So,
Okay,
and but
for this time, did so the order was placed on day 6th of April this year, and according to Andrew, when Anthony was fired.
I'm sorry, say that again.
So the order was placed on day 6th of April this year.
Correct.
And
And
in your conversation with Andrew, did he tell you when Anthony was fired?
no, but he told me that Anthony was fired on April 8th. And that's when he informed me that they were refusing to pay the invoice.
Okay, so and according to
I don't know what date he fired him. I don't know what date he came back from travel overseas either, but I was not informed that he had been fired until April 8th.
okay. Until 8th of April. Okay. So to simplify the case, so you want your flower to be paid. That's your requirement. Do you have any other requirement?
No, I just want to get paid for these $1,500, 1,500 pounds of flowers that we delivered.
Okay. So what I can suggest you, I can get is like maybe Anthony has actual authority, and because this is a normal practice for you, you may have a good case to argue. But we will confirm you in the later course. So let me summarize a little bit. So you delivered your flowers to IS tax firm on based on order placed by Anthony Jones, personal assistant of this firm, on day 6th of April, and on which was 1,500 pounds, and 2 days after, you were informed by the managing director of this company, Andrew, that which claims that Anthony, who placed the order, was fired, and this company will refuse to honor this contract and will refuse to pay you this money. And what you want is to get this money from you because you have delivered the flower and there was no problems with the flower. Is that all correct?
Yes, this sounds correct. Yes.
Okay. Is there anything you want to add?
No, no, I just want to get paid and I hope that we can.
Okay, so what I will do next, I will send you a attendance note of our meeting, and we will talk with my partner, and we may have make some research regarding this company. We will give you propose a solution from our side. How does it sound?
That sounds good.
Okay, okay. Okay, so I think it's all for today. Do you have anything else to talk about?
No, sir. Nope.
Okay, so we then will send you our attendance notes as soon as possible.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you for coming. Okay.